Ngiphinde nginibingelele ngomalibongo ecebe ekhulu. Ake singene esihlokweni sethu ke esithi 7 roles of the teacher. Lana ke suke sesibheka imikhakha eyabelwe uthisha okumele ayenze ngeprofession yakhe yokuba uthisha. Angabe othisha ke balindele ukuthi babe ngobani laphana benze ini kahle kahle. Lemthetho ke ama roles abanikezwe wona awu7. Eyokuqala learning mediator, eyesibili interpreter and designer of learning programs and materials. Eyesithathu teacher is the leader, administrator, manager. Eyes4 scholar, researcher and lifelong learner. Number 5 community citizen and pastoral role. Number 6 assessor. 7 learning area discipline subject specialist, phase specialist. Yama roles kathisha lawo sizowathatha ngawodwa until size siwaqede kuwa7. I-learning mediator number 1.